If you live in Winnipeg, the moment your furnace stops working, you know it. In this free guide, we will teach you everything you should know about your furnace, from understanding the basic components to dealing with the most common troubleshooting tips. Find complete information about the igniter, pilot light, motor blower, and more. You'll also learn how to evaluate if your furnace is running properly in general. This guide comes with a maintenance checklist to help prevent problems and keep your furnace running for as long as possible.